at an IKONICS trade show where we are demonstrating decorative sand carving using our CrystalBlast sandblast equipment. We have customers lined up waiting to learn how to sand carve. We're showing how you can easily expose film to your artwork, transfer it onto the photoresist through UV exposure, and then apply it onto either glass or ceramic, and then finish it off in the sandblaster. Sandblasting is not only the most economical, it's going to give you the nicest look on glass and crystal. It's a no-brainer. When you're blasting with our equipment, there's almost 1 air change per second. Cleanest sandblasters that you'll ever use. Go to our website and you can see a list of all the events that we're at. IKONICSimaging.com will take you there. Look for the events page. Come see us at a show. Learn how to sand carve and learn how to add value to pieces that you're going to be selling.